How would you like to be able to run your entire business on one platform? Yeah, I'm pretty close to that, and I want to talk to you about that platform today because it has saved me a ton of money, time, increased my revenue, made my life just way easier over the years, and I thought it was worth sharing. And I apologize for the crappy view. For whatever reason, my real legit camera doesn't want to connect to my filming setup right now, so we're going old school webcam. But I just wanted to get this out to you guys, so here it is. We are going to be digging into GoHighLevel, which, like I said, is my favorite tool and biggest. It's the cornerstone of my entire business right now. We got you a free trial if you want to sign up. Some awards they've won. This is just their main landing page, but they have everything, right? So this is some of the stuff they've replaced. Like they replaced MailChimp for me. I don't even know, ClickFunnels. They replaced ClickFunnels. They replaced, I guess they could replace, they can do all your social media stuff. And they replaced my Calendly. And they integrate with Stripe. And they do all this stuff. And I'll showcase for you guys everything that they did to save money, for my business. But this is, you can do landing pages, you can do funnels, you can do everything. And what we're going to do, there we go. So here we go. So I replaced it wasn't HubSpot, but my CRM. I used Nutshell. I replaced my ClickFunnels. I could do my WordPress through here. Replaced my MailChimp. I didn't have surveys set up back then, so whatever. Nor did I have SMS, but I do now. Replaced Calendly, my workflows. Teachable is almost completely replaced in my business, and I'll be getting rid of that next. Then I've got they've got the community system set up now. I do all my document signing. I replaced PandaDoc and set it in here. So my most expensive version, the most expensive version of this was I think it's $4.99 a month, and it saved me that much just in more than that much just in what I was able to eliminate in other platforms. And then actually I don't even think it's $4.99. That's for a white labeled desktop. Anyway, yeah, so they've got a $97 offer, they've got a $297, they got $497, which I think is what I'm on. And anyway, all that being said, let us kick into it real quick. Boom. Got my fancy little smart code to get me right to my dashboard. And we're going to show you some of what this bad boy can do. And I'm going to try to do it in a way that doesn't show any customers' names, because then I have to redact everything for YouTube, which just pisses me off. So, that being said, right, so you got a Launchpad. I don't even have all this stuff filled out. I don't have a widget right now. I haven't integrated WhatsApp because I don't care. I could add people to my team here. You go into settings. Okay, now I was clicking through all of this and showing it to you, but then I realized every single thing was going to have to be redacted anyway. If I show you my business profile, it's got all my business information. If I show you my profile, it's got all my information and passwords and stuff. If I show you company billing, it's going to show you my card information. If I show you my staff, it'll show you my entire team. It'll show you how to, this is how to set up pipelines, and we got calendars. This replaces Calendly. You got email servers, all this stuff, and you can go in and you can mess with everything. I can add WhatsApp. I can do scoring. I don't even know what scoring is. This is probably new. Oh, so this is to score engagement for people. So I can add a point if an email is opened, or an appointment is confirmed, and you can actually, remove points, subtract a point if, let's say, appointment status canceled. Remove 7 points. I don't know. You can build this out to where you can target your most engaged people in your community more than others. You can add in different domains. You can see I've got Military Real Estate Invest, Military Billionaire Book, Best Podcast Guest, Military Billionaire, David Pere, my website. You can do redirects, you can do tags, you can do all kinds of random stuff, and then that's all back end stuff. Then you go to dashboard, and if you have all this set up correctly, you've got your funnel. So let's see. Let's look at the War Room funnel. I haven't looked at this. So, all right. So apparently I have 1.25 million in potential business in the opt-in, 1.2 in applications completed. I've got 787 in webinar opt-in, and then tagged as webinar registrations, watch the replay, booked calls, follow-up sequence. That's all, I guess, one pipeline. And then we've got applied but didn't join, enrolled, complete. You know, so I don't know if this is all necessarily accurate right now, but it shows you next step conversion, cumulative conversion, all kinds of interesting stuff. Let's see if I got another one in here. Try the referral program. So we got the intro email sent, referral agreement sent, signed, got them closed. I don't know if we must not be going back and closing out the lead in our system, which I need to fix. And obviously we're not putting a dollar amount on them, but this is my referral program. Anyway, so we got lead sources. You know, I don't know if there's a, let's see, honestly, I've never really played around with this, but yeah, so the free copy of my book is the most valuable lead magnet. You know, I got Google Analytics, Facebook ads, it's my spend last month, all the things. You can go and look at all this, but here's where things get cool. If you go to conversations, you can see all of the conversations you've had with people, text, email, Instagram, whatever. I'm not going to click it because I know there'll be redacted information. Calendars set up just like Calendly, replaces your scheduling link and everything, and you can set an individual one up for each team. You can set an individual one up for events. Contacts is where all of your contacts are, and again, I don't want to deal with redacting, so I've got like 30,000 people in there. You can tag them a million ways. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can segregate or yeah, I guess segregate your audience based on what they're actually interested in. So like for me, originally I had people who interested in information about the military. I had people interested in information about real estate. I had people interested in investing in my deals that didn't want to see the other ones. And I had no way to like separate them to email just the investors or email just the people interested in military stuff. And now I do. Opportunities, this is all your pipelines. I know I can't let it load all the way because I can't let that load all the way. I'm trying to avoid all the redacts. So payments is all your transactions. Opportunities is all your pipelines and all your, you know, your CRM flows and everything. And you can just set it up super simply. It's really, really, really easy to deal with. I love it. You got your social media stuff. These are all the different emails we've sent out, and you can see, let's say, this one, which is just random. Statistics, this is our random last Friday email. And if you load all the stats, we had, you can show it in numbers, but 99% successful delivery, 23 open, not very much clicked, hard bounced, unsubscribed, spam. So we had, 18 people unsubscribed, 2 mark us as spam, 4,400 read the email. And that's actually not great at all for us. But, hey, you never know, right? It's not always perfect. You can split it out this way. Top performing emails were these two. They had a 30% open rate and a, 3% click-through rate. You can see your most recent emails, so you can break it down pretty easily. You can also create templates, so I've got random templates for like affiliate marketing. I've got templates for my house hacking webinar, onboarding, updates, and then we got individual ones. I've got trigger links, which allow you to, set up a custom link for. Oh man, did I just like not have any of these at all? Let's see. Apparently no trigger links to analyze, but you can set up custom trigger links. So like if they click this one, they're interested in, they'll get tagged as a TSP investor. If they click this one, they get tagged as interested in transitioning out of the military. And you can do affiliate stuff through GoHighLevel for other people. I don't use that right now. I don't know what this snippets is. Oh, this is for SMS texting. You can send out text messages as templates. In the automation stage, things get cool. This is all your workflows. So like I have a workflow for the war room. And within this one, the main one, you can see like it gets crazy. It adds a tag if they're interested. It adds an opportunity. Did they complete the application? Yes, they did. Cool. They're tagged as they booked a call. No, they didn't. Okay, well then here we go. And it goes through if this, then that, all the way through my systems. Another example of that would be, it's like here, you got 1,100 people who've been through, gotten a free copy of my PDF and so they get tagged, then it waits, then it sends them an email about the PDF, then it sends them a, hey, let's get you plugged in. Hey, were you looking for more? and then it removes them, right? So it just kind of walks them through various automations. I have one for welcome sequence, 21,000 people have been through, and this is like, hey, we need to add unless tagged X, and then I don't actually know, that must have been added by one of my sales guys or marketing guys. But if they were a referral agent, there's a 10-day delay before they get added to the sequence. If they're in the war room workflow, there's a 40-day wait, or a 30-day wait. If they're in the webinar queue, then there is a 20-day wait, and then if there's no other queue, then they immediately get a welcome email, and it goes through the sequence. So this is like my automated way to make sure everyone gets our welcome emails. We got campaigns. They're getting rid of these, so we kind of just stopped dealing with them. And then triggers, they're getting rid of those as well. You got all your funnels. So you can go in here and you can see war room related funnels, application funnel. So you go to the application funnel, you can see the website that's built out. So you go to edit, like you can see the full landing page and the video, and you can go up here and preview it and put in their application information. And then you can see stats. So I can see that over confirm. Since then, we have had an average of 22% opt-in, and 67% of those complete the application. Now we've gotten a little better over time, so I think. I put my foot in my mouth here. Yeah, so as I've tweaked things, we're up to almost 30% opt-in, and 81% of those complete the application. It's not linked to sales directly because we do a sales call, but you'd be able to see that. You can edit what domain and events. You can add a Facebook pixel, all the things. Another example here would be lead magnet. So like here's my free book. And if they got a free book opt-in, let's see. In the last month, 30% conversion rate. 900 people, or almost 1,000 people saw the page, and 301 opted in, meaning they got the free book, which is awesome. Let me find another one real quick because I don't know where. Let me try this. I want to show you guys a split test, and I don't remember which ones I've got open right now as split tests. All right, so this is what a split test looks like. I am tweaking. When you do a split test, you should only tweak one thing at a time. So I'm tweaking one item on this page. Unfortunately, they're not loading right here. I don't want to like dig through them to figure out exactly what that item was. But you can see since I started tweaking it, 34 people have gone through the control and 54 through the variation. That'll even out over time. And you can see right now there's a slightly higher opt-in rate on the B test, but they're close enough. You want to wait till these are at about 100 page views before you make a decision. Let me see if I can find a better option. All right, here's an example of one where we can say it won. Now they're obviously pretty close, but hey, out of every 100 people that go through, this is an extra person that will sign up, right? For every 1,000 people, it'd be an extra 10, which it adds up. This is a very small deviance. But what you do is you see, hey, they've gotten over, well over 100 page views. It's been a while since I've gone in here, and we're going to declare this one as the winner. And then ideally, what you would do is you would then come in here and tweak this more to play with the conversion rate. So like on this one, let's say it's got, watch this, we're going to do something stupid and we'll see what happens. So you go create variation. I'm going to duplicate that control. All right, so all we're going to do is we're going to add this red bar up here that says, hey, your most costly home expense should not be using the wrong agent or lender while buying. And we're going to save it. We're going to publish it. We're going to update the SEO data. We'll hit back. Oh, whatever. Then we're going to hit 50% of traffic either way. And what will happen is we'll come back here in like a month and we'll go through and we'll see how many people clicked through and did whatever. And in theory, we will get over 100 page views on each, and then we will have the variations, and we'll see hopefully a significant uptick in this one, which increases our sales and everything else. Then you can build out websites. You got analytics for, all your funnels. You can change it by funnel to funnel. So let's see, the War Room Mastermind application. There we go, 391 page views, 114 opt-ins. I don't know what I did on July 10th, but I had a lot of page views. So whatever I did on July 10th worked, and I should probably have done more. So opt-in conversion rate was 43, and we can go over here and we can go back and say, let's look from January 1st to present. We can see, hey, on May 24th, we got a lot of page views. On June, oh, this is like for the month in total. So April, very minimal. This is a new page. May, June, July were low so far. You can go to blogs. This is also new. They've been adding a lot of stuff in. You got a chat widget you can build out. You got blog posts. You got the client portal. You got forms, which is like survey. You got surveys and forms, which are like, how you set everything up. And then you can build out memberships and communities. You got media storage for all of the images that you've got used here. I use a bunch of crazy stuff. And then you can do reputation management, like checking out, reviews online, whatever. I don't really mess with that. And then you got reporting from, Google ads, Facebook ads, come on. You got attribution report, call report, agent report, appointment report. Anyway, and then you can go in the app marketplace. You can find a bunch of other stuff to add to this. So let's see, like I have Printful. I could probably use that. Bottom line is this, guys. GoHighLevel is a platform that allows you to replace hundreds of different tools and utilize GoHighLevel as basically everything in your business. And it has more than 10x'd my revenue over the last 2 years or year and a half I've been using it. It's probably 100x'd it. It's also saved me time and energy and expenses by adding everything into one portal, and I freaking love it. Like, this is without a doubt the best thing I've done or tool I've bought for my business ever, and I can't say enough good things about it. So I would just encourage you, if you're starting a business, launching a business, want to streamline your business, GoHighLevel is the place to be. If you click the link down below, I'll get you a discount, and I'd really appreciate you checking it out. Have a great day.